Good morning to everyone. My name is Lillian. I am the event manager for the NASA Space Apps Thailand 2021, and I want to welcome everyone today to be a part of the Space Apps 2020.
Hi everyone, you can call me Ken. First of all, I would like to thank for VIP guests for your time to provide the information to participants. We can learn something new, and if you happen to have any problem or issue, you can try to ask the question in the open chat. And if the VIP speaker, and I wish all of you have a good luck for the event.
Hello, my name is Sand Nichapat Kirkit Wanan. I am from Shrewsbury International School.
Hello, my name is Viva. I'm studying at Maple Fatima School.
Hi, I'm Rasita Sivilaiwet, or you can call me St. Grace. I'm studying at Rajinibon School.
Hello, we are CPE Kemutian Punasa.
My name is Bua. I am from Sahit Panjapiwat.
Hey, yo, what's up? I'm Fat and I'm from the school that has very long name that could consider as a tongue twister.
My name is Thamasan Tulian.
Hi, my name is Yudapat Kanya. I come from Tapade from school.
I'm interested in the NASA Space App Challenge because cooperate with my team and use technology to make the world a better place.
I'm interested in science, and also I'm willing to learn new things. I hope that my ideas will create new things to help society as much as possible.
So we are very excited for the hackathon this weekend and we'll do our best. Thank you.
I am the member of Infinite Star Team. Our challenge is drone and satellites for urban development. I joined the Space App Challenge because I want to try a new challenge.
We are Lucy and friends. We got a fully illuminated asteroid challenge because we love art and Lucy.
I would like to introduce to you Mr. Panupong. He is one of our judges for this year's.
Afternoon, everyone. Just tell me about your project briefly. Thank you.
The first page we show about what the topic was. We need to solve the problem regarding about the tiny medium space communication.
It's very interesting project, and I am very excited that your project is in the real world problem now, right? Good luck.
Now we're going to kick off and launch into the final presentations for the NASA Space Apps Thailand.
That register in Space Quest again.
And our first step starts now. EV Space presents to you.
It's working on get rid of the large debris, but only us working on small and medium-sized debris.
Now you are arriving at Infinite Star Airport.
With contain registration, login, tutorial, and main.
This is the result we get at this task.
This website is what in Thai.
Water craze and mushrooms.
มุ่งมั่นครับมีเป้าหมายคือเป้าหมายผมว่าต้องไปให้ไกลๆสูงขึ้นเรื่อยๆคือเป้าหมายของผมครับ
ต้องบอกว่าชื่นชมน้องๆทุกกลุ่มนะครับที่มีความพยายามที่จะคิดสร้างสรรค์นะครับสิ่งที่เป็นประโยชน์เรียนรู้อยู่ตลอดเวลานะครับสู้ๆครับ